Handwriting Skills Builder, an early years to grade 2 program that includes everything you need to help young learners develop fluent and legible student handwriting. The Handwriting Skills Builder focuses on letter formation. Through hollow letter tracing, each letter can be formed with precision and clarity. The series introduces letters in a specific sequence. The structured letter introduction is based on similar stroke patterns. Recognizing familiar stroke patterns is the key to correct letter formation. It is a journey from simple patterns to more intricate ones, guiding children through the alphabet in a scaffolded way. Our student-friendly font is designed with children in mind. Rounded shapes, flowing lines, and natural flicks mirror the movements of developing hands and fingers. The Handwriting Skills Builder is all about nurturing every curve of progress. The series also successfully integrates phonics with handwriting. Children effortlessly associate letter shapes with their sounds, creating a foundation for handwriting and early reading readiness. It also combines the power of 2 skills in one place, bridging the gap between handwriting and language learning. As children refine their handwriting, they are simultaneously revising language concepts from their core English textbooks: nouns, verbs, prepositions, adjectives, and more. Vocabulary building becomes an adventure with the exploration of word families. The series is a seamless blend of reading comprehension and handwriting practice. This helps children develop an understanding about the words they form. Now, let's dive into the variety of engaging activities that keep young minds buzzing. From describing pictures to making rhyming words, identifying objects, and subject-specific vocabulary exercises, the Handwriting Skills Builder keeps learning interactive. Letter writing, calendar reading, and following instructions become an adventure for young minds. The series also integrates real-life application of skills with handwriting. That's why it goes beyond paper and pencil. Writing letters, filling out forms, and reading calendars provide tangible connections to the practical relevance of handwriting in everyday life. The Handwriting Skills Builder makes learning more engaging with the help of free-of-cost audios. The books are complemented by audio resources covering key concepts like phonic sounds, rhyming words, and comprehension passages. Learning comes alive with every spoken word. Teachers can also benefit from the variety of additional learning resources, which are easily available free of cost. Digital cards inside the front cover lead you to a treasure trove of resources, including audio recordings, video links, and more. The teaching methodology is also very simple. The Handwriting Skills Builder is easy to use. The Handwriting Skills Builder series is about building confidence, fostering curiosity, and creating a solid foundation for a lifetime of learning. Join us on this journey where handwriting becomes an art, and each stroke shapes a brighter tomorrow. Handwriting Skills Builder, nurturing today for a confident tomorrow.